In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Mozak image, picture, or photo effect in Pixlr Online completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Once you have your image picture loaded and selected, click the fifth option right here where it says Effect or the circle option. And then now you want to scroll down until you see the option Artsy. And then under the third option right here where it says Mozak, click it. As you can see, this is the desired preset, but if you want to mess with the settings, you can click on the circle icon right here and drag it to the left. And as you can see, the strength of the Mozak picture effect looks different, or it becomes less. And as you drag it to the right, you get more of the Mozak effect. And then click Apply. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.